gonna do brakes for a Land Rover. This is Range Rover HSC. So we're gonna do the brakes. I've taken out the tire. So this is the brake sensor. It goes all the way. It is the rear tire. Goes all the way past the shock on top, and then into this connection point where you have to connect it. This is where you're gonna connect your sensor for the brake. So I'm just going to show you the process, guys, of how to do a regular brake change. Maybe this applies to several other cars. It's not just basically Range Rover alone. So I'm just going to show you guys what to do. And so the first thing, maybe you have to pull out the brake sensor from inside the brake, which is the one-out brake. You take it out. Then once that is out, you look for something like a small pry bar. Just something small pry bar, maybe a flat Phillips, and then you try to pry the brake out, like just inside, to create more space so that you pull it out from in between there once you open the brake caliper. So most cars have this kind of retention clip. So what you do is you try to pry it from the center of the rotor, and then once you do that, it will just pop out from whatever it is, just quick like this. So you just see right here, it just pops out, and then once it does that, you just pull it out from right there. And then normally sometimes it comes with the brake, a new one, so you can apply there too. And yeah, that's what you do. And once you're here, we're gonna open the brake caliper from behind here. So you have to open these seals up, blocking where we have to open up, so that it has to like release the brake, the worn-out brake, so we put new ones in. So this is like Allen key 7, Allen key 8. This is Allen key 8. Somebody use a flat, long electric gun to open it up. Okay guys, so that's the upper one is out. So there are two of them. So the lower one we try, and this most happens to most cars. You find out that maybe the tool you're looking doesn't fit in, so you look for an alternative. So I'm just looking for I'm using a Torx, which just fits up like an Allen key. So you can use an Allen key, a Torx, whichever it is, and then you can do the rest of the work. So guys, just keep watch what I'm doing, and then I hope you guys will help you out. Please leave questions and comments on the section area, on our below section comment area, and let me know about your views and maybe something you need guys to be done next after this.